So wow, when cleaning is impossible now, very interesting, and that's why things need to be done properly so that it can help you. And it's not enough to know when something is wrong, you need to have enough information to know what is right. So you can say something is wrong here, but you now need to know, so if this is wrong, what is right? And most of the modules we actually focus on how to know if something is wrong and how to fix it. But we need to address that too, because sometimes you may get stuck. So let's look at this example we had shared in module 9. This is James Smith's story again. So we said James Smith's salary was 31,244, but the question is, how did we get that correct value? How did we know it was wrong? It's clear to all of us. Maybe it was a duplicate, maybe it's too low, outlier. You can look at all the other salaries, you can see that all the other salaries seem to be higher. I'm just saying. So, but there must be a reason why you now said this was wrong. But what is important is, how do we know what was right? So this is a monthly salary, so maybe you checked his records, you made a phone call, or you did what we call I'm trying to remember the name now. Interpolating. And what I mean by that, maybe you have his grade or his rank in the workplace, and you know that that grade does not deserve a salary like this. So you can say, oh, if he's in grade 8, this is the kind of salary he should be earning. So that's logic. Or you made a direct call to his boss, or you have some documentation with you. So if we cannot do a validation or a verification, there is no way we can really clean any data. So it's very important to have like backup information, credible information that you can reach out to. So you can look for relevant documents that contain salary records. You can call his HR supervisor or call his company and find out, or we can just do an intelligent guess. And that's how data is cleaned all around the world. We need to have a way of verifying. So please note this. It's one of the shortest lessons you need to know, but it happens. So when you are thinking of cleaning, start thinking of context. I'm going to talk about that in this module. We're really going to hit the nail on the head. As much information, you're a detective. No information is too weak as per se. As much information about the subject matter will greatly help you in fixing errors within the data. So talking about errors, we're going to lesson 4. We'll talk about them in a different light, of course, how they occur in data and what you can do to fix them. So I'll see you in lesson 4, where I'll be talking about errors.